Hello everyone. Today I'm going to announce an internship program which will be conducted by Sarpen Mass related to AI, which will be paid also for one candidate and two unpaid internship. So before coming to that point, I would like to show some view behind me. So currently I am in Sofia, Bulgaria, and it is 12 a.m. like midnight according to this here time, like according to Sofia time. According to India, the recording time will be 3:30 p.m. 3:30 ahead India from here. So and temperature here right now is 2 degrees Celsius. I come here with one of my friends because today is Friday night. You can see behind me there are lots of people enjoying today night. I would like to say something about the European professionals. They work a lot Monday to Friday with ethics, with integrity, with productivity, and they do lots of things other than professionals work. Like they enjoy parties, hobbies, dancing, gym, yoga, martial arts. You can see behind me also. So today is Friday night. They are enjoying, and Friday or Saturday they enjoy a lot, and then on Sunday they recharge themselves to work on upcoming working days. So now come to the point of Sarpen Mass internship program. So it will be supervised. Two of the guys who completed PhD, one of them is currently working as assistant professor in NIT Warangal. Name is Dr. Vikas Srivastav. So you can find all the details of the guys through the LinkedIn link, which I will provide in description box. So there will be a link of Google form also attached in the description box of this video. So you can fill the form with your details. According to the details, we are going to select the candidate for this internship paid program, which will be paid for which are going to be paid 5K for 1 month, and two unpaid candidate will be also selected for this program. And we are going to guide all those students through Zoom or Google Meet platform. So you can fill the forms, and we are going to announce selected candidates within 1 month, and after 1 month we will start the internship program. And after looking this first time this new internship program, we can increase the number of internship candidate from the other time for the next time. Okay, so you can fill the forms. If you have any doubts, you can comment on the box. Okay, thank you.